Harris. Now, Kamala Harris's visit began today at Tucson International with more than one aircraft. As KGUN 9's Craig Smith reports, because she's a sitting vice president, there was a fleet of aircraft involved.
With Arizona very much in play in this campaign, we've had a lot of candidate visits. Not long ago, it was a VIP aircraft bringing in Donald Trump, and now Kamala Harris. Air Force Two arrived shortly after 1 p.m. It's a military version of the Boeing 757, officially called a C-32. They are set aside for the Vice President, the First Lady, and senior officials like cabinet officers. It includes special secure communications equipment the Vice President might need. About 2 weeks ago, Donald Trump used his own 757 for a Tucson campaign visit. Vice President Harris has more than Air Force Two for her Arizona visit. As a sitting Vice President, also headed to tour Douglas, she had a larger logistics footprint. We saw 2 Marine Corps helicopters and 3 Osprey tilt rotors. There were 2 C-17 cargo planes of the sort sometimes used to transport armored limousines. Campaigns are supposed to reimburse the government when they use military aircraft for campaigning. At Tucson International Airport, Craig Smith, KGUN 9.